How to start living with less and love it. Here is the truth. Most of us are drowning in things we thought would make life better. But what if having less was the real will to feel more alive? We chase after more stuff, more speed, more stimulation, but often end up with less peace, less clarity, and less time. Minimalism isn't about owning nothing, it's about making space for what truly matters. If this sounds like the kind of shift you've been craving, tap the like, share, or subscribe to the channel. This channel is all about simplifying life with purpose. Number 1. Redefine what enough means. Minimalism starts with a mindset, asking yourself, what do I really use? What adds meaning? You don't need to get rid of everything, just get clear on what's enough for you, not what advertising says you need. Number 2. Start with one small space. Pick one drawer, one shelf, one corner of your home. Decluttering everything at once can feel overwhelming, but starting small builds momentum. Progress is more powerful than perfection. Number 3. Create a pause before purchase habit. Before buying something new, pause and ask yourself, do I really need this? Or am I trying to fill a gap with stuff? This one habit alone has helped thousands reclaim their time, space, and money. Number 4. Focus on quality and not quantity. Minimalism doesn't mean cheap. It means being intentional. One durable item you love is worth more than 5 you barely use. Invest in what lasts and let go of the rest. Number 5. Let simplicity spill over. Once you start living with less physically, you'll begin to crave it mentally too. A simpler schedule, few commitments, more presence. Minimalism isn't just a look, it's a lifestyle shift. Minimalism isn't about emptiness, it's about intentionality. Less clutter, more clarity. Less noise, more purpose. Start with one step and let that step lead you to a life you actually feel. If you're ready to start living with less and loving it more, please like, share, or subscribe, and let's keep building a simpler, greener, and more intentional future.